Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In June of 2023, Mr. Audit from SoCal DUI Checkpoint Audits was driving through San Diego when he noticed that the local police department had set up a DUI checkpoint.
Sir, how's it going today? Pull down the window a little bit further down.
That's fine, I can hear you.
Bring it down for a second, please.
I can hear you.
Alright, sir, hey, listen. Bring your window down.
I can hear you just fine.
Want me to get you out of the car?
Do I need to get out of the car?
I'm trying to talk to you.
I can hear you.
Okay. Where are you coming from today?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. Any alcohol today?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. Well, trying to figure out whether or not you've been drinking today, okay?
I understand that.
There's an easy process. If you haven't had anything to drink, perfect. You'll be out of here in no time. Alright? Kind of holding up the line here.
Am I free to go?
Not yet.
Am I being detained?
You're not being detained.
Okay.
I want to make sure that you haven't been drinking today.
I understand that.
Sir, you can make it easy on yourself or hard on yourself here, okay?
Do you suspect me of committing a crime?
What's that?
Do you suspect me of committing a crime?
That's what we're trying to figure out.
Okay.
Yep. No? Alright. Alright, sir. Get out of here.
While DUI checkpoints aim to enhance road safety and prevent drunk driving, do they infringe upon our constitutional rights? Also known as sobriety checkpoints, these stationary roadblocks set up by law enforcement agencies aim to detect and apprehend drivers under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Advocates argue that these checkpoints act as a deterrent, reducing the number of impaired drivers on the road. However, they rarely consider the constitutional concerns, particularly regarding the Fourth Amendment. The Fourth supposedly serves as a safeguard against unwarranted searches and seizures by law enforcement. It requires officers to have probable cause or warrant based on specific facts before conducting a search. DUI checkpoints undoubtedly violate this principle by subjecting drivers to searches without individualized suspicion. Instead, these blanket stops infringe on the rights of innocent drivers by detaining and questioning them without reason. While public safety is a significant concern, we must ask whether the benefits of DUI checkpoints outweigh the potential infringement on individual rights. Could alternative strategies combat drunk driving without sacrificing constitutional principles, especially given the questionable effectiveness and inconsistencies of DUI checkpoints? Studies show that they have a minimal impact on reduced drunk driving incidents. Moreover, the implementation of checkpoints can be arbitrary, as they are often placed based on convenience, rather than data-driven analysis. This lack of effectiveness and inconsistency only strengthens the argument that the infringement on individual rights is not justifiable. While the aim of DUI checkpoints is to protect society from the dangers of impaired driving, the concerns surrounding their constitutionality persist. The clash between the pursuit of public safety and the preservation of individual rights remains a contentious issue. As Ben Franklin once said, "Those who would give up essential liberty to purchase a little temporary safety deserves neither liberty nor safety." For now, it's important to know your rights if you end up at one of these checkpoints. Laws can vary between jurisdictions, but generally, you don't need to fully roll down your window. But if asked to exit the vehicle, well, the Supreme Court ruined that one for us. But you never have to answer questions, just as Mr. Audit has shown us here.
DUI driver's license checkpoint. Can I just check your license? And then any alcohol tonight? Have you had any alcohol tonight?
I'm not going to answer questions.
Okay. Hey, good road. Have a good weekend, dude.
Well, that was uneventful. I guess that's how you get through those.
It's crucial to engage in thoughtful discussions, exploring alternative strategies that prioritize our civil rights. So, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. And if you check out SoCal DUI Checkpoint Audits channel, be sure to let him know that I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.